Hello everyone. So till now we solved the questions in which already circuit has given. Okay, so this is the new type of questions where we don't have a circuit, we have truth table, and based on the truth table we need to write the expressions. What is the expression for that truth table, and we need to write the code for that expression. Okay, so here a little bit theory has given as we have here three inputs. So how many total combinations possible for these three inputs? So that is 2 to the power n, means 2 to the power 3. So total 8 combinations possible. Okay, so that's why here they wrote all 8 combinations for those inputs, and for each combination some output has given. So based on this truth table we need to write the expression. So how we can write? With the help of K-map. So I will explain that K-map, how we can generate the equation for this truth table. Okay,
So let's solve that truth table with the help of K-map. So here we have three inputs x3, x2 and x1. Okay. So for x3 0 and 1, and for x2 x1 we can make four combinations like 0 0, 0 1, 1 1 and 1 0. Okay. So as in the truth table 0 0 0 it's 0. Okay. 0 0 1 it's a 0. 0 1 1 it's 1. Okay. So in that same way I wrote all outputs. Okay. So for like 1 1 1 it's 1, so that's why like this. Okay, and next we need to group these ones. Okay, as we are using SOP format we need to group these ones, so we can make the pair of 2 2. Okay, so here 1 and here 1. Okay, so in this way we can make the pair of this. Next we need to write the expression for this one pair and this one pair. Okay, how we can write this expression? So in this pair what is the common? This is x3, this 0 we can denote as a x3 bar. Okay, so x3 bar is common for this pair, right? So x3 bar, and what is common here? This is a x2, this is x1, this is x2, this is x1 bar. Okay, so from these two what is the common? X2 common, right? Here x2, and here x1 and x1 bar is there, so that's why x2 is common. So what we can write? X3 bar and x2. Okay, next this is one pair, this is for one pair, right? And this is the second pair. For this second pair what is the common? X3. So x3, and from this 2 what is the common? Here x2 bar and x1 is given, here x2 and x1 is given, so x1 is common, so x3 and x1. So this is the expression for this truth table. Okay, so we'll write this expression in that code. Okay,
so we saw the how we can generate any expression from the truth table with the help of K-map, and we wrote our expression in the format of SOP form, right? Sum of product form. So I am going to write the code for that question. So assign f, our output is f equal to x3 and x1 x3 and x1, which is OR with the negation of x3 and x2. Okay, so this is the expression we got from that K-map. Okay, let's check it. Okay, so whatever we wrote, that is correct. Okay, so in this way we can solve this truth table based questions. Okay, we will solve few more questions in the upcoming videos. Till that, thank you.